Hello, teacher and partners. My name is Alejandra Cardoso, and I spoke about my neighborhood. My neighborhood is Nuevo Centro Golf. It's located in Usaquén in Bogota City. I lived here 28 years ago. This is a great place, quiet and has many places. Here we have places that Palatino Shopping Center. There are many stores for to go to distract. There is a food court in his name is Bel Air. In that place work chefs and waiters. There is also theater where present performers every day. There is a place called Kiosco. It's a bakery very delicious. Sell cakes and sweets. My favorite place is the gym. In this place there are many activities for to do. There is the pool, there are rooms with cardio machines, weight machines, bicycles for spinning. There is also a dance salon. In the gym there is a restaurant where they cook healthy food. There is also other place, for example, to park, game room for kids, schools, hairdressing, soccer fields. In this place, they work many people with teachers, hairdressers, and recreationists. Thank you.